Meaning of incrimination.
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 Incrimination. Incrimination refers to the act of making someone appear guilty or responsible for a crime or misconduct. It could be through evidence, testimony, or any other means that suggests their involvement. The consequences of incrimination can be severe and long-lasting, including imprisonment, fines, social stigma, and damage to reputation. Incrimination should only occur when supported by sufficient evidence and subject to due process of law. False or wrongful incrimination can lead to miscarriages of justice and harm innocent individuals. It is a critical concept in the criminal justice system and essential for maintaining a fair and just society.